Hello traders, today is Wednesday. We're going to take a look at TradingView using the Sonic trading system. I have the NASDAQ up, but you could use the E-mini S&P, you can use the crude oil. I'm also going to show you the back end of the software in just a moment. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. So if you're looking at the NASDAQ, it could be the MNQ, it could be the NASDAQ, it could be the MES. You can see that as the market opened, we have these signals here to go short and to go short. Now the red line here is the stop and the green line is the target. So in TradingView, just like on NinjaTrader, you have the targets and the stops set up for you. And if you wanted to make the targets larger and the stops smaller, or vice versa, you want to make the stops a little bit larger, you want to make the targets smaller, you can customize this Sonic system any way you want. So we have here 1, 2, let's take a look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, all to the short side. So for me, this is a great opportunity. If I see 1, 2 in a row, 3 in a row, this is a great opportunity for me to think about entering short the market. Even if you're following your own system, this is a great confirmation that we have some opportunities. Now we're going to get in, we're going to get out. We're not going to hold on to this. Now if you're looking at the E-mini S&P, as an example here, let me switch this over to the E-mini S&P or the micro E-mini. This is the micro E-mini, and you can see that the idea is very similar. We have signals here to go short on the micro E-mini or the micro NASDAQ, so we see all these short signals. Now on the back end of the software, you do have a couple of opportunities, settings, to really customize this the way that you want. You can show the shaded boxes. You can have a pre-signal bar where it's telling you, hey, get ready to enter long or short. We have the alerts 1 and 2, which are the actual signals that are generated on different methodologies and ideas. You can also have an alert, a sound alert. It can be sent to your phone. You have a filter. We have here take profit at 0.9 of the ATR. But if you wanted this to be, let's say, 2 times the ATR, you can still do that. Here, let me change that. And now the targets are much larger. So just like the NinjaTrader version, we can also adjust the targets for the system to configure it in the way that you want. I still believe that you should pick and choose the trades that have the less risk. So for example, if this is my entry, this green line is my target, and this is my stop, I have a much larger profit target that I'm trying to achieve than if I got stopped out. So these are things that I recommend when you're looking at the Sonic system. If you are interested, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Let's take a look at the opportunities in trading futures. You can trade this on stocks or energies, and you can also trade the bonds if you're interested in the bonds, ultra bonds as well. Visit DayTradeToWin.com, get a free member account, and I'll see everyone in the training. Want to learn more? Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Let's get you set up in the next training.